Welcome to this presentation on mind-body therapies for cancer care. I am Sudhir Ahluwalia, the author of the book Natural Solutions for Cancer, Holistic Healing with Herbal Medicine, Ayurveda, TCM, and Mind-Body Therapies, available on Amazon. In this session, we will explore how ancient healing traditions and modern scientific insights come together to support the physical, emotional, and energetic dimensions of healing during the cancer journey. Mind-body therapies are evidence-based practices such as meditation, yoga, and Qigong that help reduce stress, pain, fatigue, and emotional distress in cancer patients. These therapies influence biological pathways by modulating neural activity, stress hormones, and immune responses. They act as safe, non-pharmacologic adjuncts that improve overall quality of life during treatment. Decades of research show that mind-body interventions can significantly reduce stress and improve emotional well-being. These therapies help regulate the nervous system, improve sleep, and enhance coping capacity. Many patients experience a measurable improvement in mood, fatigue, and overall resilience. The brain is constantly reshaping itself in response to internal thoughts and external experiences. Mind-body practices reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, and increase neurochemicals such as oxytocin and DHEA that support healing. Our emotional states influence gene expression and help the body maintain natural balance and resilience. Clinical trials show that meditation can reduce mood disturbance by up to 65% and decrease stress symptoms by over 30% in cancer patients. Meditation also reduces depression, inflammation, and stress biomarkers across multiple cancer groups, including breast, prostate, and mixed cancer populations. Meditation helps patients detach from suffering by quieting mental chatter and cultivating inner stillness. With regular practice, the mind settles quickly, creating emotional stability and improving the ability to cope with treatment-related distress. Yoga supports recovery through restorative postures, gentle movements, and breathing practices. These low-intensity techniques improve fatigue, flexibility, and sleep quality, and are suitable even for medically fragile patients. Breathing practices, or pranayama, further enhance relaxation. Studies on breast cancer patients and older survivors show significant improvements in physical functioning, mood, and emotional well-being, even with gentle yoga. Yoga may also help lower the risk of recurrence and is especially valuable for individuals who cannot tolerate more intensive interventions. Pranayama helps regulate the nervous system and enhances physical and mental well-being. It is increasingly recommended by oncologists because it is non-invasive, restorative, and safe. Breathing practices help reduce fatigue, trauma, and stress associated with cancer treatment. Qigong combines gentle movement, breath control, and meditation to cultivate and balance qi. While evidence on cancer-specific outcomes is mixed, many studies report improvements in mood, fatigue, and overall quality of life. Medical Qigong blending movement and meditation has shown promising benefits, though more trials are needed. In traditional Chinese medicine, meditation harmonizes the body, breath, and mind, promoting smooth flow of qi through organs and meridians. It is used to relieve pain, emotional imbalance, and physical disorders, and complements dietary and herbal therapies. Classical Chinese medicine views the human body as a microcosm shaped by cosmic, seasonal, and environmental forces. Feng Shui focuses on balancing external energy, which is believed to influence internal qi, supporting sleep, digestion, and emotional well-being. Ayurveda, TCM, and Tibetan medicine emphasize seasonal cleansing to restore internal balance. However, intense detox methods are not recommended for cancer patients. Gentle approaches such as massage, herbal teas, and light dietary adjustments help relieve anxiety, fatigue, and digestive discomfort safely. Massage therapy reduces pain, fatigue, nausea, anxiety, and depression, making it one of the most widely accepted supportive therapies. Light touch techniques are especially beneficial for medically fragile patients, offering emotional comfort without stressing the body. Acupuncture stimulates specific meridian points to regulate qi flow, supporting physiological balance. Scientific studies show improvements in sleep, reductions in hot flashes, and relief from pain, nausea, and fatigue. It helps enhance overall quality of life during and after cancer treatment. Moxibustion warms acupuncture points with burning moxa to stimulate qi flow and relieve stagnation. Evidence for cancer-specific benefits is mixed, with some studies noting improvements in fatigue, but more rigorous trials are required to confirm effectiveness. Mind-body therapies complement medical cancer treatment by reducing stress, strengthening emotional resilience, and supporting physiological balance. Together, meditation, yoga, Qigong, acupuncture, and related practices enhance quality of life and help the body's healing systems function more effectively. Mind-body therapies offer valuable support throughout the cancer journey. They highlight the importance of caring for the whole person, mind, body, and spirit as part of a truly holistic approach to healing. To learn more, you can explore my book, Natural Solutions for Cancer, available on Amazon. Thank you for joining this session. To learn more about my work, books, and consulting services, please visit my website or connect with me on LinkedIn. I look forward to engaging further on topics of natural healing and integrative